So today we've got this Mercedes-Benz G-Wagon. The customer's complaint is he has the engine light on the dashboard, as you can see here. So we're just carrying out diagnostics and see what's causing the engine light. And he's also facing loss of power. You can probably hear it from the engine, the way it sounds. You hear that? It's got a bit of a misfire. So here we're just basically carrying out diagnostics, and straight away we have found the combustion misfiring of cylinder number 1 has been detected. Hear it from the way the engine's got that bit of a vibration. So now what we need to do is we need to strip down the bank 1 of the engine and get to that cylinder number 1. Even when you go into a bit of the diagnostics, further into the diagnostics, sorry, you can see that compared to all the other cylinders, number 1 it has a fault counter of 190, which goes up to 200 compared to the rest. This is the reason why we have a misfire on cylinder number 1. As you can see here, the coil has perished, the rubber for the coil has perished, and that's why we've got a serious misfire on cylinder number 1, sorry, not number 3. You can see that's the spark plugs. That's number 1. Got a new one from Mercedes here. You can see this is how it's meant to look like. And we're also going to change these plugs as well. Use new spark plugs and get this car back to the customer. Engine light is off and the car sounds much better now. Now it's time to give the car back to the customer. Thank you very much.